That is a Transavia 737-800. Guys, I shall give you guys the registration number of the aircraft so that you don't get confused that it's the same aircraft. So then, yeah, it's advancing slowly towards the runway to position for takeoff. There we go. That's a 737. I shall give you guys the registration number of the aircraft. So Foxtrot, obviously, because it's a French registered aircraft. Foxtrot. Hotel Uniform Yankee Charlie. Foxtrot Hotel Uniform Yankee Charlie. That's a Boeing 737-800 NG. Foxtrot Hotel Uniform Yankee Charlie. Full power. Full power, full power. There we go. Off he goes, off he goes. Off he goes. Off he goes. Here we go, 7A of the runway. That's a Vueling. That's a Vueling Airbus A320. We've got a lot of A320 here. And then you identified by the yellow painted engine cowlings. That's Vueling.com. Vueling comes from Vuolo. Vuolo, and they added ing, like a flying ing. Vueling. And then when you pronounce it, you say Vueling. It's like Vuolo and ing. That's how they came up with this name here. That's how they came up with this name here. Vueling. It's a vuelo in Spanish, which they took and then added they added the word ing. So that's a Vueling. Vueling. Vuolo. That's a Vueling A320 taxiing is going to position straight away and ready, and shortly is going to be ready to take off. There we go. Give you the registration number. It's Echo Charlie November Charlie Foxtrot. There we go. Vueling. There we go. Full power. Rotation. That's a Vueling, guys. That's a Spanish airline aircraft or the Vueling airline. There we go. Further down is going. It's off the runway. Safe in the air. The aircraft is taken off. Safe in the air is shooting up. As you can see, that's a Vueling aircraft. Coming back to the tarmac. As we can see from far away, we're having another Transavia aircraft which is now taxiing over there. From far, it's a Boeing 737. I shall confirm. Yes, it's going to take. It's going to take you to the runway from, from that side of the thing, because they can. It's got powerful engine. So, you know, the few meters which 300 meters which is going to be, you know, sacrificing, it doesn't really matter. You know, if it's not fully loaded, then there's no point. So just to shorten the runway so that they can take off quickly, because more distance you run, you know, more fuel you burn. So if they can, you know, shorten it a bit, you know, if it doesn't affect anything, then it should be fine. We got the French B, which is taxiing towards the runway as well. But 737 is going to take off first, because he taxi first, you take off first. You're always in front, and then you need to take off first. So that's a cue. Then 737 is gonna be in position shortly. Minus a few meters away from the start of the runway, and they came because that aircraft normally it's powerful enough. It's got powerful engines, and they can do that. All right, okay, full power. You can hear the engine sound. Here we go. Off he goes. That is it. Transavia 737-800. Unfortunately, it was too far away. I couldn't give you guys the registration number. The registration. And so, yeah. There it is, there it is. Yeah, that's additional meters off the ground, safe in the air. Yeah, there's not much movement right here. When you look at it, because the weather's not that good, and then it's a Thursday, but Saturday, you know, the weekends, Friday, you know, the airport is very, very busy. And I have French B right in front of me, which is like parking in the parking bay, right there, as you can see. And then there is a pushback behind Air France on the left hand side of the French B aircraft. That is a 350 Airbus. So then the one which is taxiing is pushing back is Airbus. I think is a Airbus 320, because that's the most common aircraft at this airport. It's this airport actually is shared among Airbus and Boeing, and Airbus has got a lot of numbers. Save in the air. Here we go. Korishka. That is the Airbus, as you can see, the cockpit layout. That is a Korishka. Beautifully taxiing towards the runway here. So I give you the registration number of the aircraft as well. Korishka. Airbus A320. That's Korishka. That's Korishka. It's going to position straight away without delay, and it shall take off shortly. Korishka. Air Korishka. Registration Foxtrot Hotel. X-ray Foxtrot Hotel X-ray Kilo Foxtrot. There it goes. Korishka. There we go. Gonna take off the runway. 7A. Good stuff, good stuff. There we go. This is an Airbus, obviously. A320. And the company is, I shall tell you guys the name of the airline straight away when I can. And this is Airbus A320. Shall give you the registration number shortly. And it's Pegasus, flypegasus.com. That is a Pegasus. That's a Pegasus A320. Shall give you guys the registration number of the aircraft. That is a Tango Charlie, Romeo Foxtrot Charlie. Full power. Pegasus. Wow. Off we go. Off he goes. That's a Pegasus, guys.